Water. It appears so gentle, yet it can be made to generate incredible force. Water is now an industrial tool that opens new horizons. Pressurized to ultra-high levels and channeled through a tiny orifice, water cuts precise contours through almost any material. Flow invented the abrasive water jet. Flow's technology leadership provides everything you need for the perfect cut. The ultra-high pressure pump from Flow is the heart of the water jet cutting system. The immense pressure is generated by an intensifier pump system. The special plunger reciprocates back and forth, powered by up to 210 bar of oil pressure. The oil pressure acts on a large biscuit, a biscuit that is at least 20 times larger than the end of the water plunger. 210 bar oil pressure intensifies the water up to and even beyond 4,100 bar. At 4,100 bar, the water is compressed by about 13%. Flow's devotion to advancing this technology can be seen by the fact that 6 to 9% of revenue is reinvested into research and development each year. Further proof is that Flow has recently released a new water jet pump, delivering an incredible 6,000 bar of continuous operating pressure. A steady jet stream is guaranteed by the large shock attenuator, integrated in the high-pressure plumbing system. The plumbing system also includes flexible tubing. Through this tubing, the water is pumped into the cutting head. At the cutting head, a small hole in a jewel converts the pressure into velocity. The hole in the orifice is approximately the size of a human hair. The resulting stream travels 3 times the speed of sound. This supersonic stream is a powerful cutting tool, a tool capable of cutting a wide variety of materials. Soft materials like rubber, foam, gasket,